Hello and welcome in section 2, Sleeping Under the Stars. It's a bird, it's a plane, it's a CNN. Let's look at our project's goals. The first goal that we have is to understand the basics of how we can work with PyTorch. This is the main goal of this section. Then the next goal is to learn how to really quickly build an image classifier, and we can do that because PyTorch allows us to use a pre-trained models which we can easily use. And the last goal is to go through the process of building a custom image classifier and learning how to build, train, and test those custom image classifiers. So let's look at our project's plan. So the first thing that we want to do is that we want to use a pre-trained Alex model for beaver detection. This is what I call quick win. I want to show you how we can use the already existing elements in PyTorch to actually build this beaver detection really quickly. Then after that, we'll start building our custom image classifier. And the first step to do that is to get and prepare the data. And we'll also take advantage of PyTorch's ready-to-use datasets. The next step after that is to build, train, and test custom model. When you're building custom models or custom image classifier, you want to understand each step separately. So this is what this step is all about. Then after we've trained our model, we can actually use it to detect beavers. And then we will also talk about some of the ideas about what we can do to improve our results.